Hello, my name is Ruben Lipgat from Tonar International in the Netherlands. We're at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and today I present you the Stylus timer. It's a brand new product. Imagine, we have here on the record player a very expensive high-end cartridge, the Nagaoka MP500. And normally cartridges have like thousands of hours of playing time. But you never know when you reach that moment and when you have to replace the stylus. The Stylus timer will help you whenever you put the stylus on the record, like we'll do now. You press start and will count the hours of the playing time. So you can really track when you have to replace your stylus, and so you know more about your stylus. It's like if you have a car without an odometer, it's not a car. So this is the odometer for your turntable, the Stylus timer. Thank you.